Hello and welcome to Popular Technology, your source for cutting edge and information technology as well as careers in science, technology, engineering, and math, also known as STEM. I'm your host, Sharon Morton, and we have a great show in store for you today. Stay tuned. We'll be right back after these messages.
Hi, I'm Perry Carter, BDPA Washington, on location at Pentagon City. Thank you for joining BDPA at the Microsoft Store for this special episode. The Microsoft Store is one of our industry partners promoting application development, consumer electronics, and technology inclusion programs with BDPA in your community. The Microsoft Store is part of a global network of retail and online shopping outlets powered by our co-sponsors at Microsoft. We hope you enjoy the show.
This is not just a laptop. They're not usually this thin, this light, with great battery life. They don't let you touch and draw. Not like this. This is not just a tablet. It has a clicking keyboard and Microsoft Office, so you can do real work. This lets you run your favorite apps next to your favorite apps. This is the new Surface, the one device for everything in your life.
And welcome back to Popular Technology. I'm Sharon Morton. This program is brought to you by BDPA, formerly known as Black Data Processing Associates, known for promoting diversity in the information technology industry. Today we're in the beautiful Microsoft Store in Pentagon City in Arlington, Virginia, talking to LaSawn Barber, Community Manager for Microsoft, the software giant that brings us Windows, Windows Phone, Office, Surface, Xbox, Skype, and Bing. LaSawn, thank you so much for joining us here on Popular Technology. We're glad to have you.
Thanks for having me.
Now, you manage the community programs for Microsoft. Tell us a little bit about all of the programs that Microsoft actually has in the community.
Well, Sharon, I'll tell you, creating opportunities for youth is the cornerstone of what we're doing here at the Microsoft Store. We're really trying to harness the technology and allow students to be able to understand the technology that's available to them today.
So what are some of the actual things that Microsoft does in the community?
We are working very closely with a lot of community groups and youth groups to provide a lot of technology resources. So we host workshops, we run the age group of 2 to 5 all the way up to our seniors. So we have a Tech Talks group that's for 2 to 5-year-olds,
wow.
Silver Surfers for our seniors, and then in the middle we have a lot of field trips for students. We're connecting with local schools and their science classes. We're doing everything we can to help people realize their power of technology through our software.
Now, what is it that you do with tots, the 2-year-olds? I'm trying to imagine what they're doing with the computer, although I'm sure they do a lot.
Well, the Tech Talk program is really cute. It's for 2 to 5-year-olds, and there's a tech mouse who kind of teaches them just the beginning stages. It's pretty much a play group where the students can come in and kind of explore the store and play a few games, and a lot of moms groups come in, and daycare providers bring their groups to actually learn a lot about the latest technology here in the store.
Well, I think that's great. Now, I also know Microsoft has lots of scholarships for students who want to pursue careers in STEM. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, our store doesn't actually offer the scholarships, but we do have a lot of opportunities for young people. So I'll tell you, some of our first employees in the store were high school students, 18-year-olds who started as our product advisors.
Well, so Microsoft has a lot of opportunities for minorities. You want to tell our viewers a little bit about that?
I'll tell you that our community program really harnesses technology for everyone. So we reach out to our Latino community. We have a group called the Latinas Leading Tomorrow who's come into the store. We're working with the Boys and Girls Club and local community centers to bring the technology to life for a lot of our students who wouldn't otherwise be able to afford the advantage of actually experiencing our technology. We've gone into a lot of Ward 7 in DC and connected with a lot of different groups who've been able to come in and utilize the technology as well.
So how would our viewers know that they could come in and take advantage of all of these programs? What is it that they should be doing, or who should they contact?
They should contact the store directly. We have a website, microsoftstore.com. Our events calendar is there with all the events that we have going on. And contact me directly as the CDS. It's my job to actually manage the programs and set the schedule at 70 hours per week, where we have a lot of opportunities for workshops and events.
Yeah, I'd say so. Wow, Lasan, Microsoft really does a lot for the community. We're so happy that you joined us here. And right now, we're going to take a quick break.
I love photographing because it tells the story. In Kailisha, there are many stories. I started photographing in school. I came in Cape Town on 2006. It was difficult to find a job. I like to make my own business, but struggling to make it grow. I was afraid of business. I didn't know how to market myself. They teach me how to make a flyer, how to make an invoice. It can change many lives of other people because it have lots of material of business. I do feel satisfied now, but I need more. I get my confidence back when I do that course. Yeah.
Welcome back to Popular Technology. We're here with Microsoft Community Manager, Lasan Barber. So Lasan, this Microsoft store does a lot. It hosts a lot of nonprofit organizations and schools. You had a few more that you wanted to talk about. So what are some of the other organizations that come through?
Well, I'll tell you, a lot of our local school systems rely on us to come in and learn technology. We recently had the Howard University Middle School, the entire 6th grade class, come in and actually learn Office.
Wow.
We do monthly mixers with small businesses. BDPA actually has a networking group that comes in every month. So small businesses use our space as well. In addition to that, we've been able to host free training and workshops. There are workshops every day at noon and 5 p.m. That's all listed on our website. So Sharon, I'll tell you, the Microsoft Store has something for everyone, whether they're 2 to 5-year-olds for our Tech Top program, all the way up to seniors, which is a Silver Surfers program. We recently had the Delta Deers in for training in technology, and we do homeschoolers where they have technology camp, because you realize that they don't have access to technology. So they come in and do regular training classes with us, in addition to small business meetings and networking sessions. BDPA is here regularly hosting their networking sessions and bringing in students and companies just to learn about the technology in our store. It's a wealth of information that we're sharing with the community and really helping them to realize their power with technology.
So Lasan, I see a lot of your store visitors are kids. What do you think attracts them to this store?
The Microsoft stores are really interactive and fun for kids, Sharon. They love coming in and actually playing video games on our video wall. We have game launches, so they're able to come in. Right now we're hosting FIFA and NBA 2K. They actually love the technology, learning digital movie making as well as digital photography. All these courses are available to the students.
We're going to take a short break, but please stay tuned for more with the Microsoft Store and Popular Technology.
It's something you're born with and lives inside you. Inspires the things you choose to do. Things that may not always change the world in a big way, but can change it in a million little ways. You do what you do because it matters. At HP, we don't just believe in the power of technology. We believe in the power of people when technology works for you. To do the things that matter. To dream, to learn, to create, to work. If you're going to do something, make it matter.
Welcome back to Popular Technology. We're here with Microsoft Community Development Specialist, LaSawn Barber. So Microsoft has a wealth of new products coming out. Tell us a little bit about them, LaSawn.
We're really excited about the new products, and they include the Xbox One, Surface 2, and the Nokia 1020, which is a 41 megapixel camera and phone.
So LaSawn, what's the difference between the Windows 8 phone and all of the other phones out here on the market?
Well, Sharon, I don't have to tell you, it's the simplicity of it. It's one of the easiest phones to use. The live tiles are easy to navigate. The phone actually has Office on it.
So LaSawn, Microsoft has a number of career opportunities available for students and for anyone. Tell us a little bit about those.
Our retail store has several community career opportunities for students. We start with the product advisors, who are actually our technical advisors, who teach everyone all about our products. We have service providers who actually service our answers desk and perform technical responsibilities in the store, as well as my role as community development specialist, managing all of our community partners. We also have a BDS, who is our business development specialist, who manages all of the business side of the retail stores.
So where would our viewers go to find all of these wonderful opportunities and apply?
It would be on our website, microsoftstore.com/careers.
Well, LaSawn, we can't thank you enough for joining us here on Popular Technology and inviting us here into this beautiful Microsoft store at Pentagon City and telling us about all of the wonderful things that Microsoft does, all of the wonderful products that they produce, and the great community programs that you guys put together. We hope you'll come back and visit us again soon.
Thank you, Sharon. It was great being here.
And thank you for joining us for another informative show here at Popular Technology, brought to you by BDPA.